Welcome to our comparison video where we put two popular under-desk treadmills head-to-head, the AIRHOT under-desk treadmill and the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill. Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, let's find out which treadmill will best suit your home office fitness needs. When it comes to price, the AIRHOT under-desk treadmill is more budget-friendly at $239, compared to the Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill priced at $369. Reviewers appreciate the AIRHOT for its affordability without compromising on essential features, making it an attractive option for those looking to save. Design-wise, the AIRHOT boasts a compact and space-saving design, being only 4.5 inches thick and equipped with wheels for easy mobility. In contrast, the Rhythm Fun, despite being foldable, has had some complaints about not fitting under sofas as advertised and difficulty with the handle stand. The AIRHOT's design receives praise for its practicality and ease of storage. For power and noise, the AIRHOT operates quietly at 45 decibels with a 2.5 HP motor, making it ideal for a silent workout. Rhythm Fun also features a 2.5 HP motor, but shines with its higher weight capacity of 300 pounds and a max speed of 6.7 miles per hour, catering to more intense workouts. While AIRHOT is celebrated for its quiet operation, Rhythm Fun is preferred for its power and speed capabilities. Regarding comfort, the AIRHOT offers a dual-layer belt with 14 shock points for a gentle workout experience, while the Rhythm Fun provides a 5-layer non-slip belt and a spacious running area, making it akin to running on a cloud. Both treadmills are designed to reduce impact, but the Rhythm Fun's larger running area and sophisticated belt design give it an edge in this category. In terms of technology, the AIRHOT keeps it simple with a digital monitor and smart remote control, catering to users who prefer straightforward functionality. Meanwhile, Rhythm Fun appeals to the tech-savvy with its connection to the iPoofit app, offering course training and social running tracks, plus a phone holder for multitasking. The Rhythm Fun stands out for those who value connectivity and advanced features. Overall, the AIRHOT under-desk treadmill is praised for its affordability, quiet operation, and compact design, making it a great choice for budget-conscious buyers with limited space. The Rhythm Fun foldable treadmill, on the other hand, is lauded for its powerful motor, spacious running area, and advanced technological features, appealing to users looking for a more intense workout and connectivity options. Whether you're leaning towards the budget-friendly and compact AIRHOT or the powerful and tech-savvy Rhythm Fun, both treadmills offer unique benefits to fit different user needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Check the description for product links to learn more. Thank you for watching.